Hi, I'm Jason Forehand, CEO of ISI. Today I'd like to talk to you about Cisco Multiplatform end-to-end caller journey analytics, a new piece of functionality that will be available in an upcoming ISI release. ISI's Infratel Select is a cloud-based call detail reporting and analytics solution. Infratel Select helps organizations get better calling activity visibility. Our powerful reporting takes the raw CDR data and turns it into accessible and usable information. Our reports and dashboards help organizations improve employee productivity, caller experience, compliance, call accounting, as well as many other crucial business needs. Enhanced CDR reporting and analytics shows things like number of calls received per hour, ring times, transfers, hunt group and queue activity, all things that shed light on customer experience. It also provides easy access to information to support a call audit. ISI has a long history of providing better business insights. You might say we know a thing or two about CDR. We've been integrated with Cisco since Call Manager 3.0. Thousands of enterprises count up ISI's analytics for their Cisco UCM, UCCX, and Webex calling environments. Over the years, we've seen many ways that healthcare organizations, financial services, municipalities, higher education, retail, and other distributed businesses get value from enhanced CDR visibility. Infratel Select provides insight into customer experience, helps reduce costs, and simplifies UC management. At ISI, we help people see the entire caller journey. But as many of you know, today's UC environments are complex. Enterprises use a variety of calling platforms. There's probably some legacy calling platforms implemented in the past that might still serve their purpose. You may have inherited different calling platforms during a merger or acquisition, giving rise to some integration challenges. You may have different departments or teams within an enterprise that have unique communication requirements. Or lastly, you may be a global organization with operations that have different calling platforms deployed in various regions due to infrastructure, regulations, or vendor preference. These multiple calling platforms present a challenge to the goal of making the entire caller journey visible. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. A national retailer uses both UCM and Webex queues. They also use a combination of cubes and Session Manager Edition for connecting SIP trunks. A call comes into a retail location. It originates on a SIP trunk connected to a cube, which arrives at Webex. Based on auto attendant selection, the call is sent to an on-prem line group. It's answered by one of those hunt group members. After this person tries to help, they realize they need to transfer the call to a different department. This results in delivering the call back to a Webex queue. Now, unfortunately, no one answers, and the call fails over to a UCM hunt pilot. That call is answered by an agent who's registered to a phone on UCM, who in turn sends it back to that same Webex queue. And it's finally answered by a Webex agent. I think I have to sit down after that one. As you can see, the problem is clear. One customer call resulted in multiple call legs, platforms, edge devices, data sources. Even if you have reports for each individual platform, there's no view of all the call legs involved in this single customer interaction. So how do you make sense of it all? At ISI, we have a solution to make sense of it all. We call it Multiplatform End-to-End Caller Journey Analytics. With this new release, organizations that generate calling data from different UC platforms will soon have access to streamlined, accurate, and fast reporting of call activity across different UC platforms. Now that's what I call powerfully smart. Infratel Select has proven value to our enterprise customers through intuitive dashboarding and reports. If you haven't seen our new user experience, contact us and we can enable this for you. These insights are not available with Cisco's native reporting or with any existing CDR reporting and analytics solution. Look for an announcement later this year for specifics about the launch. And if you're interested today, we have a waiting list for early access. To learn more, visit isiinfo.com.